So today we are working on a 2024 Honda Accord hybrid with the 2-liter engine, and we are just going to be replacing the cabin filter today. I'm using an in-house brand of the cabin filter from the part store, from a part source. This is the part number PCF11182. So we are just going to be replacing the cabin filter on this vehicle now. So we need to open up the glove box, push down on the piece, and then on this you have to push inwards on both sides to get the glove box out. You have to push on both sides. So you need to push on both sides in order to get the glove box out. So once the glove box is out, you can push the tabs on the housing of the cabin filter, and then you just you take out the cabin filter out now. So compare the two parts, the old and the new. Just make sure they are the same, and to note the direction of the airflow. The blower motor is at the bottom, so the airflow is going to go this way. So we're gonna install the cabin filter this way. And no, this is not wrong. This is the correct way. The airflow has to be pointing in the downward direction because that's where the flow is. So install the cabin filter and just reinstall the housing for the cabin filter housing. You can see the airflow direction is pointing downwards. So we're gonna put that in. So once you line it up, just to push the housing, the cover inwards, and it should click into place. So now you just need to reinstall the glove box. You need to line up the glove box at the bottom in order to get it in. So the piece is here and here, and then later to put they sometimes call this like a shock or something for the glove box. So we're gonna install the glove box inside the opening. Make sure it's in all the way. You have to push it in until the two tabs inside it lines into place. So don't forget the shock. And now you should be all good to go. Just put the customer's belongings and stuff inside the glove box, and then you should be all good to go now. And that should conclude this video of the cabin filter replacement.